Hey everyone, guess what I got today? I got Boxy Charm. I'm not sure if it's my premium or my regular. I'm thinking by size, it's probably my regular. So excited to see what I get for this November. Let's check it out. That was not a good look. That was not a good look on my face. Okay, this is my regular Boxy Charm. And we have Kush before and after Makeup Milk. So this long-lasting full volume and curl waterproof. Oh, this what kind of name is Makeup Milk for mascara? Listen, oh my gosh. It's a waterproof mascara called Makeup Milk, and the bottle is like metallic. Check that out. It's super cool. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. I always keep all the mascara for myself. Woo! I love the packaging on this. The name is weird. The name is still weird, but look, it comes in like this triangle-shaped container, and then it's all metal. That's hella cool. All right. Oh, here's our Boxy Charm card. It's our harvest. So we get a 5-pound palette that retails for $48 by Natasha Denona. I have a blush by Natasha Denona, and it's really pretty colors. Not crazy pigmented, but I'm kind of spoiled when it comes to blushes. I used a La Femme blush palette, and it's like terrifyingly pigmented. Most blushes tend to be a softer pigment because, you know, it's blush. It's not supposed to be eyeshadow. Um, we are getting a water serum that retails for $62. Actually, this is a pretty high dollar value for this Boxy Charm. We have the Makeup Milk. This is $24 for the waterproof mascara. Oh, the reason it's so fancy is it has hemp-derived cannabis seed oil in it. So, I don't know. And the fibers in it are heart-shaped. Really? We have a lip oil that retails for $11 by INT Cosmetics. From Alamar Cosmetics, we have a pigment base. Cool. I don't usually use shadow pigments, or I'm sorry, shadow primers, a pigment base. I've never been really that impressed with them. It's just kind of my thing for doing makeup professionally for my clients, but I'm always down to try new stuff. But for me, I'm just a little going, okay, so you've got shea butter in it, so it's going to be really oily, and isn't it going to cause creasing? So this raises the whole question. I don't know. All right. Oh, they're a Natasha Denona 25% off coupon site-wide to Boxy Charms. Anything you buy, you will save 25% off. So that's a cool little thing. Okay, here is the Natasha Denona palette. I'm not sure if this is the packaging it comes in, but that's kind of really industrial generic. So I'm not really feeling super high scale and high class with this. I mean, for $48, it just looks like, I don't know, it really just looks like something I would get from like Revlon or Maybelline. And I know I'm probably being like really cynical, but seriously, Revlon, Maybelline do the same kind of packaging, are not $48. So, all right, let's check out this. I know I'm being totally bitter on that, but all right, super creamy pigments on the glitter. Seems to pick up nicely. So we've got the colors. And we'll see. Not too bad. Transference. Not super bad. It grabbed pretty good. Got some lotion on my arms so it wasn't completely dry. My fingertips are stained. Okay, that's nice. But still not very impressed with your packaging, Natasha Denona. I mean, brown box. Are we trying to generic this up? Not for $48. I want the pizzazz. I do. Alright, next we have, this is the Longwear Sticky Pigment Base. It's got wax in it and jojoba, so it's got oils and wax. And honestly, I've never used this, but based on the ingredients by itself, this brand, it's gonna melt. It's gonna heat up with your body heat, and you're gonna get creasing. So, I'll try it out and see, but no. It's really thick and waxy, and creates a wax film on your fingers so it stays sticky. And then when you pack your pigment on it, yeah, it's going to hold. Yes, it will grab. But this is wax-based, people. Wax melts body heat, so you're going to get creasing in your shadow. So, try again, Primero Primer. And say that fast 6 times. And this is the lip oil by INT Cosmetics. Again, this packaging is not super fancy. The lip oil has got fragrance in it, so if you are a sensitive person, there is fragrance, artificial fragrance added, and so be careful of that. Argania spinosa kernel is in it, and it has red dye number 6. So I have had clients in the past who are allergic to reds. It just depends on, a lot of times it's the red that is made from the coconut, which is the beetle, crushed up beetle. So if you are allergic to fragrances, you may want to avoid this. And if you're allergic to red dye, avoid this. But we'll check it out. I need to personally read up and see what this Argania spinosa kernel is. Because I'm just very sensitive and delicate flower. I have very sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful what I put on me. But, if not me, it'll be a nice gift to someone. Alright, and then we have Revolutionizing Beauty Together. This is Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. So this one hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, minimizes the appearance of pores and redness, helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ooh, that's something I need. Improves the overall appearance of skin. So it does have mushroom extract. That's its fancy claim to fame right now. It's got glycerin, argan spinosa, kernel oil, same one, seawater, watermelon, apple, other lentil, sodium, soda lactate, a bunch of stuff I can't pronounce. Nothing off the top of my head that says you are allergic. So that's good. I'm trying new serum. Let's pull this out. Woo. Nice packaging. And then let's see what we got here. It's dropper formats. So you're only supposed to use a pea-sized amount. So no, this is not how you do on YouTube and Instagram and just bleh. Don't waste your products, people. Cool. I may have to try it. I mean, I'm not sure what the big deal about mushrooms is, but they must know something I do not. And that's it. And there you guys have it. The November, one that you could get, November Boxy Charms. And I should be getting a premium this month. I did cancel it. This will be my last premium this month. But this was the regular Boxy Charms. Let me know what you guys got in yours. I'm bouncing because I have a new bouncy ball. Let me know what you got in yours. This is what I got in mine. I'll post how much mine weighed so you can kind of see if maybe you're getting the same one. So I will talk to you guys later.